That's been a challenge for me, being at IKEA or furniture places. So you can see how this works. So I love this ad, by the way, because it's not just showing you what's possible, but it's showing you all the pain points that you can alleviate with this product as well. Like, is it going to fit? Is it not going to fit? What's going on? Okay. So that was IKEA. And look at the date on it. That's what surprises me the most. I don't know why that video is unlisted, to be honest. If I was IKEA, I would want everybody to look at it. Being public just makes it more searchable. But September 12th, 2017, like, how many people on this call knew about this? I know everybody must have heard about IKEA. But from a perspective of Tiago, even from your point of view in museums, I'm not sure if you could see a use for what we just saw there.
Well, yes, definitely. I think there is. It's very different, perceiving art or even photography in in a in a real space than actually seeing it on a flat representation.
Hmm.
So we tested with a photographer how to actually place their images and transform the visitor's living room into the exhibition space.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing. And there could be a VR and an AVR case there, right? Because to experience art, I may be able to be willing to put on those goggles, as Mo was saying, right? In a retail space, it's a different experience. You want to go in, you want to enjoy, have fun, try clothes on without a headset on. But if you're an art aficionado, you recognize that it's a very specialty type of experience that you're not going to get anywhere else. How many people have Mona Lisa, right? So there's only one Mona Lisa. So I'm willing to put on the Oculus headset to be able to interact and maybe even touch it, which I can't even do in museum, right?
Yeah. Also, I'm now in Amsterdam, and there
Oh,
is, to my knowledge, one company that actually rents artworks, paintings, and photography, like framed artwork.
wonderful.
And so it's a really nice business model because you can choose a piece and just have it in your house for a couple of months until you're tired, and then
Yeah,
you replace it by another one. So I could also
absolutely.
see there, uh, you know, the possibility.